Want a chance to travel to Boston and watch the Orioles play at Fenway Park? For your chance, play Strike It Rich scratch-offs from the Maryland Lottery and enter your non-winning tickets online by July 10th at 9 a.m. at mdlottery.com/strikeitrich. And welcome back to Inside Press Box. As we approach the midway point in the baseball season, the Ravens are also hitting the practice field, and you know what that means. It's time to start thinking about your fantasy football team as well as your fantasy baseball team. The guy who's able to juggle these two things is Ken Zales from fansfantasyfootball.com and pressboxonline.com. And Ken, first of all, we had you on a little earlier this year in March, I think it was, or maybe late February. But you're in my fantasy baseball league, the Crab Cake League, with some good people like Scott Garceau and Mark Bond and many, many others in town. You getting the hang of playing in this type of league?
Yeah, it's fun. It's a dynasty league. You know, I'm familiar with that in the football
dynasty
realm.
Meaning you keep players.
Keep players for years at a time. You can sign them for up to 3 years. So it's fun. You know, learning my way in your league. It's extremely competitive, AL only league.
Yep.
So it's kind of thin.
There's not much left after the draft.
There's really not.
After we draft 23 players a team and 13, or is it
13.
13 ultra players.
Yes.
There's not much left
There's
there.
not much left. I keep on getting yelled at because I try to pick up people I'm not allowed to.
I think Ryan Flaherty's still available.
Tollison just went down. He was available. So
I had him for a week.
Can't use him anymore.
How has fantasy baseball, you know, you ramped up a little bit more this year at fansfantasyfootball.com. On fantasy baseball. How's it doing for you?
It's doing well. I mean, it's our first year in offering baseball. We have our rankings up with those change on a weekly basis. We've tried to keep true to our format. We have a What's New page that comes out every week to 2 weeks with the updates of who's hurt, who's back, who's hot, who's not. So it's going pretty well. You know, our first jump into it. We've been asked for years, and I'm actually having fun with it.
All right, good. And Eric's still...
Eric Radom, our fantasy baseball expert, he's still plugging away for us.
All right. This time of year, as people start to get their attentions divided, what portion of people are starting to really focus in on their football?
If you're a serious player, now's the time to start to focus. We're starting to get into the mandatory training camps, mini camps, and we'll have training camp pretty soon. Most of the free agents have signed. We're trying to get an idea now of who's going to hold out, who's not. So this is the time to start to get into it. Maybe do a mock draft online. There's lots of places that you can do drafts to get an idea of who's going where, when should I take a quarterback, when do I get a tight end, how long can I wait. So this is a time if you're a serious player, absolutely start to do some mock drafts and start paying attention.
Now, those magazines that come out, the Street and Smiths and the Sporting News and all that, no knock on them, but you and I were talking, there really is never a great timing for those because they have to get them mapped out, how they're doing them, lay them out like we do Press Box once a month, and then they're out too soon, sort of.
They're out too soon. I mean, you can't, in the magazine world, you have to go to press, and that's, you know that from Press Box Online, that, you know, at some point you have to put your article up.
Yeah.
The magazines, there's never a good time because they have to come out before training camp. They don't know how the position battles are all going to work out. If you're writing today about who's going to be the starting running back for the New England Patriots, you could be wrong next week, but you're already gone to press.
So something like your website or your articles on PressBox Online are going to be much more current.
Much more current. And that's, you know, the magazine industry as far as fantasy sports, unfortunately, it's kind of taken a backseat. There's so many websites on the web. I like ours. But, you know, you get information.
I like
ours. I like ours. We're pretty good at it. But, you know, there's so much information, and we get to update it daily, and they just can't do that.
No question about it. Suppose you want to play this year, and let's say a woman's listening and has never played and says, God, this year I really want to, or a guy. How can you learn some of the ins and outs of it? Do you have a tutorial or... like Fantasy Football 101?
We do. We have a link. I don't like to recreate the wheel with my website, so we have a link to somebody who did that years ago. Some of the basic terminology, how to draft. But the easiest thing to do is to go onto one of these sites, whether it be Yahoo, ESPN, CBS. They make it very easy to draft. All you have to do is go to fansfantasyfootball.com, click on the rankings page, just grab my rankings and just go right down the list, and you'll be fine.
All right. The money involved in this sport now, in fantasy sports, it's off the charts, isn't it?
It's crazy. You and I were talking beforehand. There are these daily sites that come out now. There's several. FanDuel, there's Draft, there's all kinds of sites. There's like 3 or 4 of them. FanDuel's probably the most popular. But you can play fantasy football, baseball, hockey, basketball every day now. You don't have to get into a season-long league if that kind of bores you from time to time. Every day you can draft a new team and you can play against one person or hundreds of people.
I think what's fascinating about these things is a lot of us got into them, fantasy sports, initially because of our passion for sports. Right. The gambling was secondary. I think the gaming aspect now has been increased because of these online sites.
It has, but I mean, there's so many people that play fantasy sports, and like you said as well, here we are halfway through the baseball season. If you're out of it, you're looking for something else to be involved. You're looking for new action. So these sites are great for that.
Ken, thank you again. fansfantasyfootball.com, and he writes on PressBoxOnline.com, our fantasy expert, Ken Zales. After the break, we're going to take a look at the 2012 Special Olympic Maryland Summer Games. So don't go away. Inside Press Box is presented by Friedmont Mortgage. Don't make a 30-year mistake by choosing the wrong lender. Go to Friedmont.com now for all of your mortgage needs.